Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 90 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the security app, so let's do it. And as you can see here we've got the security scan, which here we've got the info. It's saying that it will scan your device for viruses, so simply tap on it. Here you've got some privacy policy permissions, so simply tap on agree. And as you can see, now your device is scanning for any malware and any viruses, so just give it a time to do it. And as you can see, your device is saying that everything looks good, so it means that you have no malware in your device. If you will have any, then it will appear right here and you will be able to remove it, or your device will do it automatically. So actually that's all. This is how to virus scan your Xiaomi Mi 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.